Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to paint Ganesha using stencil. Take gateway paper and draw any Ganesha you like. Cut one opening from top or bottom. I have taken from bottom and then I have cut the outline of Ganesha as you can see. Now close the opening by using tape. Place this stencil on newspaper. I have taken trunk and eye portion also. I have taken 7 colors on tile and a small sponge piece. I am taking scotch tape and sticking this stencil to the newspaper. Scotch tape doesn't damage the newspaper. I have taken red color in the sponge. Red is the color of root chakra. Lord Ganapati is the Adipati, the commander of root chakra. He awakens Kundalini and takes care of it. I have taken 7 colors of chakras in this Ganesha figure. Swadhisthana, the second primary chakra, which is orange in color. Now third primary chakra, Manipura. This is yellow in color. Anahata, the heart chakra, is green in color. I am painting white for Ganesha tusk. And the eye of Ganesha also white. Vishuddha, the throat chakra, which is blue in color. Ajna chakra, the third eye, which is purple in color. Sahasrana, the crown chakra, which is violet in color. Now I am removing the stencil. You can use the same stencil for many more paintings. I am doing white outline for the whole figure. sticking one more layer of paper behind this painting. Now I am taking a cardboard and applying glue on this also. Stick the Ganesha painting on this cardboard. Take according to the size of Ganesha, cut the extra piece and stick the Ganesha painting. I have made 4 newspaper rolls to frame this painting. Apply glue on 4 sides of this painting and stick the rolls and make a frame. After sticking the rolls, you can paint black or any other color. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. Keep watching my channel for more interesting videos and new techniques. Until then, bye bye. See you.